2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.